Discord is one of the best ways to chat on the web. Whether you're meeting random strangers on a Discord server or hanging out with your friends, Discord lets you type, call, and video chat with anyone online, no matter where they are in the world. Plus, with Discord bots, you can even enhance your server experience, so you and your friends can play games, listen to music, and chat with each other in all new ways. Of course, if you decide to move your conversations to another chat app like Slack or Zoom, it might be time to leave your Discord account in the dust. Thankfully, it's pretty easy to delete your Discord account, so you can move to a brand new app without having to worry about your personal data. Unfortunately, you'll need to make sure you're using the desktop app and not your phone to delete your account. So to start, grab your PC or Mac and open Discord on your computer. Next to your name in the lower left-hand corner, look for the settings gear to open your app settings and click it. Your settings menu should open up on the My Account page by default, but if it doesn't, select My Account from the list of options on the left. In this menu, look for the Edit button next to your account, which will give you two red buttons to pick from. For many people, disabling your account may be the better option of the two, since it gives you the option to recover your account at any time. While your account is disabled, you won't receive notifications from Discord, though you still can receive friend requests once your account is re-enabled. However, since you've come here looking to completely delete your account, you want to select the red button on the left. When you select this button, Discord will first inform you to transfer ownership of your servers if you have any. If you haven't done this yet, you won't be able to delete your account, so make sure you've done this before going through with this process. You can also delete your server if you'd rather remove it from Discord entirely. After transferring your servers, you can finish deleting your Discord account. Make sure you've entered your password and, if applicable, submitted your two-factor authentication code. Once you submit your deletion, you'll still have to wait 2 weeks as Discord schedules account deletions. When your 2-week period is up, your account will be removed. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Discord and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.